A lot of you may or may not be on one of the fastest growing apps in 2020, but I know for a fact you have all heard about TikTok.
To ban TikTok.
Be banning TikTok.
Ban the TikTok app in the United States.
What is going on, guys? Hope you're all killing it and having a fantastic day. Welcome back to a new video here on this channel. In the past couple of weeks, I received over 100 DMs on Instagram and TikTok from people all around the world, wondering what editing app I use for my Instagram Reels and my TikTok videos. So this is what today's video is going to be about. So if this is something of interest, watch through to the end. First off, I just want to explain why I use a third-party app instead of using the Instagram and TikTok's integrated editing software, which is built really well. The integrated software of both apps, Instagram and TikTok, are very well built, but they are limiting to what you can and can't do when it comes to editing. For me, it doesn't give me the freedom and flexibility as what I'd like in an editing software. And because Instagram and TikTok's integrated software isn't the best, that's why I move forward and use a third-party editing software. With that out of the way, let's get stuck into actually downloading this app and showing you how to go about editing. It is very simple and it's very easy to use, and it's also a free app that anyone can download on the Android store and the Apple store. Let's get stuck into it. Head to the App Store or Android store and then search up VN. Search, it should be the second one from the top, VN Video Editor. Hit install on that and wait for it to finish downloading. Once it's finished downloading, head over to the VN app and open it up. Hit the plus down the bottom and that will start your new project. Select whatever video you like. I'm just going to select this festival one, which I got last night. I like to head back over to TikTok and select a track that I want to edit the video to. So I'm going to head to the sound that I want to use, and then I'm just going to download one of these videos and save that. Head back over to the VN app, tap to add music, and then hit music down the bottom left. Now what I want to do is I want to extract the soundtrack from the video that I just downloaded, which is this one here. I'm just going to rename this to test. Done. And then I'm just going to select what album I want that track to be saved to. So I'm just going to hit new album, head over to the new album, and as you can see, we've got test there. Going to use, and then okay. So what I want to do is I just want to pretty much go to wherever I want the cuts to be. So say I want the cuts to be on this track, on this beat here. I'm just going to head over to that, hit split down the bottom left on the video track, and that's going to split these clips so I can put a cut there. So say I want to do fast cuts, I'm just going to get rid of them, plus photo, and then I'm just going to add a photo to that. Done. So when that beat comes up, it cuts to whatever the image I want to be or another video clip. The next feature that I'll absolutely love on this app is the fact that the transitions on these are really, really cool. So if I hit the plus in between the two clips, that's going to bring up a transition module. So I can hit black and that's going to fade into the photo where that transition is. White, dissolve. What I love to use is the zoom, so that zooms out, or if you click that again, it can zoom in to whatever the next clip is. I'm just gonna hit OK, and then that is the transition. Also with that, you can select the duration of how long you want that transition to be. So that's very slow or very quick transition between clips. So the other thing that I love to do when I'm doing a transition is instead of having a static image, I'm just going to slide all the way to the right, and you can see this icon called zoom. Hit that and I'm just going to zoom in, and that's going to zoom in the photo after that transition. The next strength this app has is fast cuts. So if you're in TikTok, you can only cut to, I think it's 1 second. Whereas in this app, you can cut to as many clips as you want. Let me get an example up of one of my other TikToks. So with this project, I wanted people to guess how many pictures are in this, and for the beat is a lot of fast cuts, which is why you can see them very, very short clips down the bottom here. where you can pretty much cut to however long you want. I've got this at 10 seconds, and I'm pretty sure in TikTok it's only 1 second you can cut or trim a clip to. So that's a good strength that this app has that TikTok doesn't have, which is really cool. The final strength that this app has that the TikTok and Instagram Reels do not have, and that would be the sound effects. So if I were to go up to the music track and I select a sound effects instead of the music, and I've got here saved as a camera sound. So if I turn that up, you can hear the camera sound. So I can use that and I can just play around to where I want that sound effect to affect. You do have a good library of sound effects that they've already got integrated. So you've got the fast swooshes and all different types of sound effects that you may or may not want to use. So I hope you all did enjoy this video. Leave a like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content just like this. With all that said and done, I hope you do integrate this into your TikToks and Instagram Reel game, and hopefully you'll be posting some bangers. With all that said and done, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.